Welcome to another video. So I use M-gram watercolor, and when you're buying watercolor, you always want to check the light fastness. That's going to tell you how permanent your watercolors are. If you put it out in the sun after you paint it, then it's going to fade really fast if you don't have a good light fastness. Except for this one's a light fastness 2. Oops, that's upside down. So just check that when you buy watercolor, make sure that it's got a good rating. And when you're doing a wash, you want to make sure that you keep that line of water going down the bottom. I have my palette set up at an angle, can't really tell from this view. Oh, that's a different color. That makes no sense. Gotta change that later. Workout break. Just kidding. Okay, for real. After my wash dried, I put a couple drops of water on it, and I always pause between words when I can't think of what to say. That's just water, it bleeds out the color after you get it wet again. I was planning on making those into bushes at the end, but then I changed my mind later and I covered it up. But you'll see that at the end. A little bit of mixed media here. This is white gouache, which is like a mix between watercolor and acrylic, because there's no such thing as white watercolor. That's just, it's water. This is my favorite part, taking off the tape at the end and getting those crisp clean lines all around your painting. Makes a really nice border. Oh, it's gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. So this painting is the prize for the giveaway that I posted a couple episodes ago. So go check that out right here. And we'll see you next week. Don't forget LSS. Like, share, subscribe. Oh my gosh. Subscribe. Can't even say it. Subscribe. Subscribe.